goes for modify, and the money value has updated. Who knew that they liked money back then? I can't. It's me, GameGuardian, and today we're going to be talking about two different subjects, GameCIH and how we used to cheat in Android games using it, and cheating in online games, which a lot of you want to do. As always, all the links are going to be down in the description for all the tools I mentioned. While you're there, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. So by now, a lot of you will have heard me talk about money cheats in online and offline games, and oh, if the game is online, you can't get unlimited money, and all the data is stored on the server, so you cannot modify it. And maybe some of you guys are wishing that you guys lived 10 years ago when that was still possible in more games. Today I'm going to show you one of the great game cheating tools of the past, GameCIH, and how somebody tries to use it on a very popular game that maybe you think it wasn't online 10 years ago, but we'll just see. Of course, GameCIH is a memory editor. If some of you guys want to test it, the link's going to be down in the description. I've tried it on modern devices and it doesn't seem to work. So as viable alternatives, I would recommend HackerBot APK for online games and gameguardian APK for offline games. Links down in the description. But let's just see how people used this tool on popular games 10 years ago and had the same problems as we, or maybe not. So he's playing one of the popular Clash games, and he just opened up GameCIH. He goes for a simple number scan right here. He enters his gold value, of course. He changes his gold value, yes, of course, as we do. He enters the updated value to narrow down the list of values. He changes the value. Oh, let's guess, 999999999. Yes, of course. He goes for modify, and wow, the money value has updated. Does he have unlimited money 10 years ago, or were the games already server-sided? Let's find out. He's gonna get out of GameCIH and he gets the error message of death. Client and server are not synchronized. Of course, I am Swiss, so I do speak the German. Yes, you're very surprised, of course. Yeah. Anyway, so clearly 10 years ago, the most popular games were already server-sided because, of course, even 10 years ago, they wanted to sell you gems and they didn't want you to get them for free. Who knew that they liked money back then? I kind of suspected it though. I guess the major difference being that these days you just get permabanned if you try this, and back then you just had to restart your game to resynchronize with the servers. And while of course these days we have a much greater span and selection of game cheating tools ranging from HackerBot APK to GameGuardian to APK editing tools and patchers, data modification tools, even apps that allow you to run game cheating tools without a root. Still, if something is processed on the game servers, there is no way to modify it directly. The only way is through game bugs or exploits, farming bots, aimbot scripts, and such like cheats, which you can of course find by simply googling game hacks or HackerBot, visiting hackerbot.net, going to download cheats, entering your game and the kind of cheat that you're looking for, and simply downloading the best cheats available from proven sources with a good track record of delivering clean and working software for many years. So visit hackerbot.net by googling game hacks or download HackerBot APK at the link in the description. Sadly, GameCIH is a thing of the past, but I still wanted to talk about it because it was basically the best and the first game cheating app for many years on Android. And also to let you know that you didn't miss anything. Even back then, server-side processing was a thing. So I'm gonna start up GameCIH one last time, and I'm gonna look up on the jumbled mess of characters and say goodbye. And say hello to the better and actually working APKs of not 10 years ago. Again, as always, all the links are going to be down in the description below for all the tools I've mentioned. Leave a like while you're there. Subscribe to the channel for weekly game jacking content. I hope you guys have fun and learned something. Game Jacker out!